guys, welcome back to another video. And I know there was a little bit of maybe what some people might call a dramatic opening to this video. I feel like it's really needed. Before we get into the rest of the video, I just wanted to say welcome back to everyone that keeps coming back every week watching my videos. I really appreciate it. The last video that I put up got well over 160 views, and that is very unusual for my channel because I usually only get like 30 to 40 views per video. So I really appreciate everyone who took the time to watch my render sketchbook share. It was totally unexpected to get that many views, and I hope some of you guys are back again this week for this video. I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Karina, and I'm also known as the Artistic Newfie, as you can tell by my YouTube channel. I have Instagram, and I'm on TikTok every once in a while. I have an Etsy shop, and I'm on Patreon as well, and all those links are down in the description of the video if you would like to check them out. So getting back to the beginning of this video and my entrance, so to speak, I suppose, I just wanted to clarify a little bit more on why I'm feeling the way I'm feeling, where I kind of want to go with my art journey and all of that fun stuff. And to get right down to it, my videos and my posts on YouTube have been doing very poorly up until last week. There's been like an uptake, I guess, in watching the videos that I put. Most likely it's because it was a sketchbook tour, and it seems like sketchbook tours are really they're kind of a go-to, I guess, on YouTube. But before that, I had noticed that a lot of my videos they're getting very redundant to me, and I know I've said this quite a few times before in other videos where I've wanted to change where I'm going, I wanted to change what I'm doing, I wanted to change how my videos look, and I never did do it. But I'm to that point now where I've had enough of how things are currently going, or they were going, and I just want to take a new turn, or take a turn, I guess, in a different direction and do some things differently. I noticed the past little while, I made a video, let's start with this. I made a video I think a couple of years ago now, where I said, you know, new art, new style, new year, new changes, and all this kind of stuff. And I did one painting that pertained to that. Oh, we're gonna have a new direction, and I just stopped. That feeling kind of disappeared, and I went back to doing the same old thing where I did what people wanted, or what I thought people wanted to see, and I didn't do art for myself. Now, I mean, the past couple of years there are some things that I went on a tangent with and did things for myself, but I always feel like I end up going right back to doing things that other people want to see. I stress myself out trying to post more often on Instagram, and my feed, if you go and look at the dates on my timeline, are very far apart in posting. It's because I've been feeling stressed out trying to come up with something that I can show on my Instagram feed that doesn't pertain to my Etsy shop or Patreon, or something different outside of that, because a lot of the things that I do, like with sketches and what have you, are kind of, they're shown to my patrons first, and then that leaves me with nothing to go on Instagram, because I can't realistically or mentally these days sit down and draw 2 or 3 different illustrations in the run of a day. And I'm very slow at digital art, and I've noticed recently that I'm very intimidated with my traditional art, and I want to get out of that. And I think the problem is I spend so much time working on these digital illustrations. English, where did my English go? These digital illustrations, that I forget that I have traditional mediums here to use as well, and I kind of gotten away from using them, and I kind of gotten away from sitting down and having fun with art in general. So going forward, this is what I want to do, is just create in my sketchbook. And if I create something that I feel might be worthy of being turned into a sticker, then I'll turn it into a sticker. Or if something is worthy of being turned into, say, maybe a print or something of that sort, then we'll do that as well. And I know a lot of people might come back and say, you know, I thought you were trying to start a business. I thought you wanted to get further ahead in your creative journey, and I thought you wanted to make money. Like, you can't take a back seat with your illustrations, your posting, your, what's the word I'm looking for? Your time on social media if you want to grow your business and you want to make profit and you want, you know, that kind of thing. But in my head, how am I supposed to be creating a profit or turning over a profit if I can't sit down and create art that I like enough to want to share it, or I can't take the time to experiment, to grow in order to create new images, to create new artwork that I could potentially share and make a profit, or, you know, to provide people with new ideas, new stickers, new notebooks, new whatever, because I feel like everything that I've done is just, it's been very repetitive. And I want to take that time to sit down and mess around on my sketchbook, make ugly art, try new things, try to grow with, you know, the things that I'm doing. And if you've been paying attention over on Instagram, or if you're over on Instagram, English, I seriously can't English today, you'll notice that some of the new stickers that I've made, I've tried new brushes, so they have a more painterly effect rather than looking all flat, like my airbrush stickers that I usually do. So I have already started to experiment with some new things. I'm doing some art that I like. I'm working in an art journal that's specifically for me to mess around in and create whatever the hell I want. And whether I show it to you guys or not, it's going to be on a day-to-day basis, because it's for me, and I need to start feeling like I can be more of myself, the way that I look, the way that I talk, the way that I show my art, all of that stuff. Things need to change. This is the time that I'm going to take to change it, and I really hope you guys stick around to see where this journey goes. Hey guys, I haven't really shown my face in the video, so I just want to pop in at the end here to close it out. I know the video this week wasn't very long, well, as long as I usually have my videos, but I hope it was kind of meaningful and a lot of people can understand where I'm coming from. And if you do understand where I'm coming from and you want to have a conversation about it, you can always leave some comments down in the comment section of the video. And it'd be kind of interesting to know how many other people feel that, you know, you kind of got lost along the way and social media kind of took away your want, I guess, or the enjoyability, is that even a word, of what you used to have for your art, or for any kind of, not just for anyone that, you know, sketches or paints. Like, there's a lot of different types of art, artistic abilities out there that maybe those people, everyone may feel the same. So it would be kind of interesting to know what you guys think of the video, and if you kind of maybe feel the same way as well. I apologize for the shaking of the camera. I'm holding a selfie stick here. But yeah, it's pretty much, I don't want to ramble anymore, so I'm going to call the video done. Please stay tuned for next week. I'm hopefully going to be trying some sublimation with those pouches that I had done the HTV on a couple videos back, and that one didn't get very many views. So if you have a bit of time on your hands and you wouldn't mind going back, even if you just played it in the background, I don't know, maybe try to get some attention to the video. It's the one that's done the most, it's done the worst on the channel in a very, very long time, and I will not be doing any more standalone videos like that. So that's another thing that I wanted to talk about in a future video as well, but I guess I'll just do it here before I go. I know I have been putting a lot of other companies in with my videos to do like the demos of things or showing off their products and sending you over to their website and all that kind of stuff. But I've decided, unless these companies are okay with me including this in my studio vlogs, I'm not doing it anymore, because I don't want my channel to look like that video that has 14 views, because I know a lot of people come and watch the studio vlogs, but not a lot of people will want to watch a standalone video like that. So that's my plan going forward, and if these companies can't accept that, then we will omit the videos altogether and we'll just go back with art and what have you. So yeah, a lot of decisions, a lot of thinking needs to happen to see where I really want to go with social media, the YouTube channel, and Etsy, and all these things. And like I had said before, I want to be known as an artist before anything else, because that's why I started this, because I wanted to grow, I wanted to learn as an artist and share that with whoever wants to tag along. But I feel like I had mentioned, I got lost along the way, and I want to start bringing that back. And yeah. So rather than me continuing to ramble, I'm gonna let you guys go. Again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you back for next week's video. All right, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.